I bet you've heard one thing or another about AI, but did you know that there's people making insane money off of it? Cool, huh? What's even cooler is that I'm going to show you how. Welcome back to Money Matters, where we cover everything about finance and making your money work for you. Why? Simple, because your school doesn't and won't. When you hear AI, you likely either think of ChatGPT or those movies where robots enslave humanity. Luckily, we're not quite there yet. But AI is so much more than just chatbots. Ever scrolled through your social media feed and wondered how those ads seem to know exactly what you've been thinking about buying? Or maybe you've chatted with a customer service bot that was eerily good at solving your problem? That's the power of AI, or artificial intelligence. It's not just about robots and sci-fi movies. AI is here, and it's revolutionizing, well, everything. Slowly. But it's especially changing the way businesses operate at a rapid pace. Whether you're an entrepreneur, an investor, or just curious about the future of business, this one's for you. Let's get started. AI in business. You know, it's funny. A decade ago, if someone mentioned AI in a business meeting, they'd probably get some raised eyebrows and confused looks. Fast forward to today, and AI is the buzzword on everyone's lips. But why? What's all the fuss about? Well, businesses are always on the hunt for that competitive edge, right? And AI, it's like giving them a superpower. From startups to Fortune 500 giants, companies are harnessing the power of AI to innovate, streamline operations, and deliver mind-blowing customer experiences. Think about it. Netflix uses AI to recommend shows you'll binge-watch all night. Amazon's Alexa makes shopping as easy as having a conversation. And Tesla? Their self-driving cars are basically AI on wheels. But it's not just the big names. Even small businesses are getting in on the action, using AI tools to analyze customer data, optimize their marketing campaigns, and even manage their inventory. The bottom line? If a business isn't leveraging AI in some way, they're going to fall behind. And trust me, in today's fast-paced world, you don't want to be playing catch-up. With AI becoming a staple in the business world, you might wonder, how exactly does it boost profits? Let's break it down. Boosting profits with AI. All right, let's talk money. Because at the end of the day, that's what businesses are all about, right? Maximizing profits. And guess what's becoming their secret weapon? Yep, you guessed it, AI. But how exactly does AI help businesses boost their bottom line? Let's break it down. Personalized marketing. Ever noticed how online ads seem to know exactly what you've been thinking about buying? That's AI in action. By analyzing vast amounts of customer data, businesses can tailor their marketing strategies to individual preferences. So instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, companies can now target you with products or services that you're more likely to be interested in. And when marketing is personalized, conversion rates skyrocket, leading to increased sales and profits. Optimized pricing. Pricing is a tricky game. Price too high, and you might drive customers away. Price too low, and you're leaving money on the table. Enter AI. With dynamic pricing strategies, AI can analyze real-time market demand, competitor prices, and other factors to automatically adjust prices. This ensures that businesses always hit that sweet spot where they maximize both sales and profits. Enhancing productivity with AI. The beauty of AI isn't just about boosting profits, it's also about doing more with less. By enhancing productivity, businesses can achieve better results without necessarily increasing their resources. Here's how AI is making that happen. Automated customer service. Gone are the days when you'd wait on hold forever to speak to a customer service rep. Today, chatbots and virtual assistants are taking over, providing instant responses to customer queries. These AI-driven tools can handle a vast number of inquiries simultaneously, ensuring customers get the help they need without delay. And the best part? They're available 24/7. Operational automation. Repetitive tasks can be a drain on time and resources. But with AI, businesses can automate many of these processes. Whether it's data entry, invoice processing, or even complex tasks like financial analysis, AI can handle it swiftly and accurately, freeing up human employees to focus on more strategic work, data analysis and insights. In the digital age, data is gold. But sifting through mountains of data to extract meaningful insights can be daunting. AI simplifies this by quickly analyzing vast data sets, identifying patterns, and providing actionable insights. This allows businesses to make informed decisions faster than ever before. AI's impact on productivity is undeniable, but don't just take my word for it. Let's look at some real-world case studies of businesses that have successfully integrated AI. Case studies. Real-world AI success stories. Alright, so we've talked a lot about the potential of AI, but let's get real for a moment. How are businesses actually using AI to make waves in their industries? Let's take a look at some standout examples. Spotify. Ever wonder how Spotify seems to know your music taste better than you do? That's AI at work. By analyzing your listening habits, preferences, and even the time of day you listen, Spotify's AI algorithms curate personalized playlists that hit just the right note. Starbucks. Coffee and AI? Yep, that's a thing. Starbucks uses AI to analyze customer preferences, purchase history, and even the time of day to offer personalized drink recommendations. So, that pumpkin spice latte suggestion in October? Thank AI for that. Zara. The fashion industry is notoriously unpredictable, but Zara is staying ahead of the curve with AI. They use real-time analytics to monitor sales and customer feedback, allowing them to adjust their inventory and designs quickly. This means they can respond to fashion trends almost instantly, keeping their racks fresh and customers happy. Social media. AI isn't just for the big names. Thousands of people are using AI to create short-form content to grow their channel and monetize them in some way. From fact-based channels over would-you-rather channels all the way to motivational posts. It's AI everywhere. While these success stories are inspiring, it's essential to understand that AI isn't without its challenges. Let's delve into some considerations businesses should keep in mind. Challenges and considerations. While the benefits of AI in business are undeniable, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. As with any technological advancement, there are challenges and considerations to keep in mind. Data privacy. With AI analyzing vast amounts of data, there's always the concern of data breaches and misuse. Ensuring data privacy and protection becomes paramount. Job displacement. Automation and AI can lead to job losses in certain sectors. It's essential to consider the human element and the potential societal impacts. Over-reliance on AI. While AI can provide valuable insights, it's crucial not to lose the human touch. After all, machines can't replicate human intuition and emotions, for now. Ethical concerns. From biased algorithms to decision-making processes, ensuring that AI operates ethically is a significant challenge. Implementation costs. Integrating AI into business operations can be costly, especially for small businesses. It's vital to weigh the benefits against the initial investment. Challenges aside, the future of AI in business looks promising. Curious about what's on the horizon? Let's take a peek. Future of AI in business. The world of AI is ever evolving, and its impact on the business landscape is just getting started. Here's a glimpse into what the future might hold. Decentralized AI. As blockchain technology matures, we might see a rise in decentralized AI systems, ensuring more transparency and security in AI operations. AI-powered creativity. From music composition to content creation, AI will play a significant role in the creative industries, pushing the boundaries of what machines can achieve. Emotion recognition. AI systems will become adept at understanding human emotions, leading to more personalized customer experiences and marketing strategies. Quantum computing. With the advent of quantum computers, AI's processing capabilities will skyrocket, allowing for even more complex problem-solving and data analysis. Ethical AI frameworks. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, there will be a stronger emphasis on creating ethical guidelines and frameworks to ensure AI operates for the greater good. The horizon of AI in business is vast and full of potential. As technology continues to advance, businesses that embrace and adapt to AI innovations will undoubtedly lead the charge in their respective industries. As we look forward to the exciting possibilities AI brings, let's wrap up and reflect on everything we've covered today. As we wrap up, we hope you found value in today's video on AI in business. If you did, please share it with someone who might benefit too. Remember, financial knowledge is crucial, and as our name already states, money does matter. We'd love to hear from you. Drop your thoughts and any topic suggestions in the comments. Your feedback shapes our content. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos about what schools won't teach you. Thank you for being with us today at Money Matters, where we make your money matter. See you next time. Oh, you're still here, but the video just ended. Well, since you're already here, don't forget to click this video on the left and subscribe to my channel on the right. All right, that's all for today. Seriously. See ya.